Friends. Words have power. They shape our thoughts, influence our feelings, and ultimately determine our actions. But have you ever noticed how some words with opposite meanings can have the same length? My colleague will tell you a few words for your understanding. This simple observation reveals a profound truth. In life, we are constantly presented with choices that, while seemingly equal, can lead to vastly different outcomes. In this video, we'll explore how shifting our focus from negativity to positivity can transform our lives. We'll see how choosing words and perspectives that uplift can help us find joy, build friendships, and seek knowledge. Let's learn to recognize the power we have within us to shape our reality by choosing positivity, growth, and empowerment every day. Because sometimes, all it takes is a small shift in perspective to make a big difference. Let's take a look.
The word sad has 3 letters, but so does the word joy have. The word curse has 5 letters, but so does the word bless have. The word enemies has 7 letters, but so does the word friends have. The word ignorance has 9 letters, but so does the word knowledge have. The word negativity has 10 letters, but so does the word positivity have.
Isn't it interesting that the words we use to express negative emotions or actions are often the same length as those for positive ones? Sad and joy, curse and bless, enemies and friends, they all have the same number of letters, but they carry completely different energies. This shows that in life, we always have a choice. We can focus on negativity, like curses or enemies, or we can choose positivity, like blessings and friends. In the same way, ignorance and knowledge and negativity and positivity are equal in length but opposite in meaning. Life often gives us a balance of both, but it's up to us to decide which side we want to stand on. Every day, we can choose words, actions, and thoughts that uplift and empower us. By choosing positivity, knowledge, and kindness, we bring more light into our own lives and the lives of those around us. This is a reminder that no matter what life throws at us, the power of choice lies within us. Let's choose words that build, actions that heal, and thoughts that uplift. This way, you're using the symmetry of these words to show that positivity and growth are always within reach.